Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Panasonic Lumix FZ300. It is a bridge camera that has some of the qualities of a digital SLR and some of a point and shoot. So let's open this up. There are several bundles available on Amazon, and I spent quite a while going through them figuring out which one was best for me, which may not be the best for you. This bundle came with a 64 gig memory card. It came with a 3-piece filter kit. Came with a Koa brand set of extra batteries. There is 2 batteries. And a charging dock. And of course that has the cable. Pretty standard micro USB. And it has a small flexible tripod, 12-inch tripod. So yeah, flexible, kind of like one of the other bigger name brands that shall remain unnamed at this time. And it has an LCD lens cleaner. The hand grip that goes on, so you can hold it with one hand. Carrying case. Yeah, more stuff. A memory card wallet. An adapter to read the memory card. Neck strap. Cleaning kit. And The camera itself. Okay, here's the direction owner's manual in a variety of languages, and this is looks like editing software. Yeah, there's a variety of editing software. I have no idea what that is yet, but it's that. More stuff. Here's the factory battery charger that comes with it. The lens cover. And the lens cover leash. Lens hood, factory battery. So this kit comes with a total of 3 batteries and 2 chargers. Charging cable for that, which no, that's not right. Not sure what this is for, because it's a non-standard USB end there. I'll have to figure that out. Okay, this is the neck strap for the camera. This other one here is for the bag. And the camera.
Yeah.
It swivels out, flips around, say it's viewable from either side. Or you can look through the eyepiece, which is great if it's a sunny day and you can't see the LCD back. You can look through the eyepiece and it will show you all the information in the eyepiece. So it has a 25 to 600 zoom, and it does way too many things to get into in the scope of an unboxing video, but it is also splash proof and dust proof, so it's good for camping, hiking, that sort of thing. It's not water submersible, but it will take being splashed without damaging it. So there you have it, the Panasonic Lumix FZ300.
Oh.
That's all, folks. There you have it, the Panasonic Panasonic Lumix